people who don't know English, yeah, can come here to enjoy like the sport, yeah. This thing is important for like other people, other guys who probably in Friday night like this, yeah, they're in the streets or maybe in trouble, yeah, for like stupid reasons, yeah.
Money can't buy this sort of stuff, and when young people are being involved in positive activities, they're less likely to be engaged in negative influences and keep it fit and healthy. So the BME cricket programme was inspired particularly by young people from this community here in Gracetown, and about 3 years ago we come together, an application was put into the calls for action, and that really did make a huge difference to making cricket more accessible to BME communities. In the winter, these sessions don't stop and will continue, and we'll go indoors at the Sapphire Gardens. But our sessions, they are structured. So today, for instance, we had young people from Polish, Romanian, Somali, and other communities who are non-traditional cricket playing communities. The way we have raised the participation levels is primarily through volunteer ambassadors. These are champions who we've worked with, supported, trained, gave them kit, and they're the voice of cricket in their community.
People come here, enjoy and don't get in trouble, like, so this is probably one of the best things, yeah.